What up, YouTube?
What are we about to do today now?
Man, we finna go to... Right now, we're finna go get something to eat. After that, we're finna go to the state park.
Well, you guys, I'm excited. I'm very excited.
Ooh, matter of fact, I do
We're
need
going to go
go
get breakfast first.
At least show them your fit, man. Show them your tennis shoes, bro.
Bro, these we go. Let me show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all the fit.
I ain't never wore tennis shoes, bro.
I do wear tennis shoes. I have nothing but tennis shoes.
Alright, YouTube. My bad. We got some food, but we got super hungry, and we forgot to let y'all know.
I had to eat.
But Hayle, tell them what you got.
First, I went to River Cafe and a bus. I got me the breakfast bagel. I'm gonna pick it up. They got me the breakfast bagel. I didn't even know they toasted it. They got bacon, Swiss cheese, avocados, eggs. It's just busting. It's busting overall. It was really quick and it's busting. Then when I tell you we were gonna wait so damn long in this line for this acai bowl, it was so packed. Sunset bowls. I have this. It's called the local. It has bananas, strawberries, blueberries, granola, acai. It's really good. I don't know if you can see.
Is it granola?
Yeah, granola too. Like it's so good. It's so good. And it's frozen because like they had. I know they get them out fresh because so many people. Man, and they probably having to keep open packs. Oh my god. Which that gotta be hard too because they ain't unthawed yet. Man, I want to pray for them as they get through the rest of this day. What you got, Nate?
I got me some.
Oh, you can zoom in on my food too, so you can show them if you want, so they can see what I got.
I got me some chicken curry, man. With beans. Eddie got some bagels with something else. And a side, but man, get the side, bro.
Man, the side?
Get the side. Yeah.
I'm excited about today. It's so hot, so I hope by the time we get there, it's cooled down. But the temperatures, this gotta be global warming. This gotta be. Bro, y'all, when I tell y'all my back is literally wet from sweat, I know that's so gross, but like, it's so hot. Like, hot is not even a word. And it's gonna cool me down though. Let me get some water. Some water. Y'all gotta taste this. And they like this. I'm sorry. It'll cool you down though.
Cool as hell.
Like they just got this out. Alright guys, we're gonna start driving. I think they forget to do.
Yeah.
I think they forget to say we're gonna start driving before the camera go flying.
I just want to start driving because...
Okay, but I'm saying say, Hayle, grab the camera. You start driving and I barely can grab it.
My bad, baby.
Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later when we get there. Something else exciting happens.
Yeah, we'll let y'all know, man. Stay tuned.
Bye. We're currently on our way to the Topsail Hill Preserve State Park. Are you excited, Nico?
I'm a little bit excited. I don't know what to expect.
Yeah, we're currently trying to look up some of the stuff to see what everybody else got to do when they were here, but my thing is loading really doo-doo. I want to give you guys a view of the sign.
Get the sign.
Yo.
Here is America's best state park. Florida State.
Wow, we're going through the interesting.
Because it's at sundown.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, there's people here already, huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
A pond? A pond, okay. Okay. All right, thank you. You have a nice day, sir. All right, we're gonna go biking.
Are you excited?
Look at my bike. Look at Haley's bike. Look at Hayle and her bike. Hey, GoPro, take a picture.
You can't do it while you're recording.
Oh, shit.
You have to say.
I haven't ridden a bike in so long, Hayle.
Man, what?
Don't it feel good as fuck to actually get out of the car? Hear me?
Out of the water?
Don't it feel good to get out of a car?
Yeah.
Oh, this shit is turned, man. All right, y'all. We don't know where we're going, but we're just gonna go So, hey, let's go. You see, they're going down there, so we might as well go down there too.
Follow me, I know the way.
My thigh's starting to hurt.
Oh wow. Really?
Yeah.
Really? But it's better than walking though. That would have kept you fast.
Hell yeah, bro. All this shit. You see how far this motherfucker is, bro?
Watch your language.
Yeah.
This is not only for monetary value for the video now, but also just in period. Like, you know how you told me to work on mine?
You said what?
You hear me saying it. I said not only for monetary value with the video, but also just for like you told me a long time ago.
Oh, so it's PG-13?
Yeah. No, like in order to get monetized, which gets you more views on YouTube, you make it family friendly. And if you
Alright, y'all.
either that or
For now, I'm finna go friendly, family friendly.
It. Oh, I'm just saying.
But, hey, go to the right. Oh, geez, she's zooming over there. Look at her.
Where we go.
Woo! Yeah, I get what you're saying. But I also want to get you too, man. Go in front of me, bro. Look at me glide. Ellie, come on. Haley, what are you doing? You got somebody coming behind you. Hey, stop riding and texting. You're gonna get yourself hurt, Haley. Haley over here trying to text him. What? Look at her. Haley, if you fall, I'm gonna laugh, bro. Look how many bikes there are. Damn. We're gonna have to park. Where you wanna park? Ooh, look at this shit, bro. You see how beautiful that is?
It's the island video.
You see the water? Oh, bro, this would be a perfect place to fly a kite, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I should've brought my fishing pole. Put my feet in the water. Fish.
Yeah.
Damn, you see that water is so green and clear.
But
yeah. That's how you be romantic, guys.
You see, let's watch the take backs for the struggling of swimming, y'all.
I don't know if y'all can see that right now. But that motherfucker is great. Look, they swimming, bro. I'm swimming too, man. What they say? They got gators here?
No, not at the beach, at the lake.
Oh, okay. Please do not walk on the dunes. Is this in the dunes?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, when y'all come, do not walk on these, y'all, alright? I don't know what they on, but I'm getting in the water. You can put the shoes here?
I mean, yeah, you can leave them.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, these are shoes. At least got some Nikes.
So it's basically, if y'all see somebody with the holes on,
Oh, the motherfucker hot.
stop. You heard me?
Yeah. Oh, it's saying it's so. No, it's not that bad.
Yes, it is.
It's not that bad. I've touched hotter sand in this, and that motherfucker, nah. Dude, why do I keep cussing at it? Hey, give me my phone. Let me get a view with my phone too, man. Gotta let them know where I'm at. And I'll be like, ooh, man, where you at?
Okay, you guys, we're currently at the beach, and I'm so excited. It's so hot out here, but it's so nice and it's so lovely, and it's just gonna be a good time overall. I'm glad we came. This has been a good adventure so far. I remember I was young and I couldn't put my feet in the water. I was hanging with them shorts.
I hope this water ain't too cold.
I bet it's cold as hell. And the tide is hot. Like right here. It's all the way
I bet it's not, bro.
No, I'm saying it's all the way I'm saying. Like, I ain't never seen it come up that far. So pretty.
Ooh, warm.
Ooh.
Oh, that's some good water, bro.
That is fresh water.
That is some good water, Haley. Haley, you want to see me do some dumbass shit, bro?
Go ahead.
Record me, bro.
For the cam.
Record me.
I got you. Nate finna do some dumbass shit, he said.
This one?
Yeah, yes. He thinks he's Mr. Extremo. What the hell was that? Nate, what the hell was that? I don't know what first of you thought that was. That wasn't it.
I was supposed to do a flip, bro.
Why did you flip? There was nothing in that was a flip.
Hey, you want to get in the water with me?
Getting the sharks in the pool.
Huh? Come on, put this down. Hayle, this water feels so good, man. Hey, y'all, bro, when I tell you this water feels good, this water feels good, man. It's warm. It ain't cold. Hayle, come on, bro. You ain't never gonna enjoy water that's warm, bro.
I got the net.
It's gonna get wet.
With my hair.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Put it in your hair. Cause you ain't gonna get your hair wet, right? And these gonna dry out by the end of the day, bro.
By the time we run it.
Hell yeah, we're gonna be riding to other places, man.
No.
Hell yeah, Hayle, get another picture of me, man.
Oh no, this gonna look stupid in the video.
Here, let me try it.
Hold on, I'm putting it
Put
back.
it right
It's gonna
here.
look stupid in the front. It's gonna look stupid.
Put it on top, in the middle.
Baby, that's gonna be on the cam. I don't want to look like I got a. I'm gonna put it right here in the back.
Alright, back there, stay. Hey, y'all hurt, man. Hey, y'all think her butt still look good? I think so, man.
You think it look good still?
Yeah. It's salty, right? It's salty. Look at her spinning shit. Let me come in. That shit gonna be so funny.
He leaves me every time. It never fails. Nate, where are you going? Stop.
Man, I'm waiting for a gnarly wave.
Gnarly wave? What you gonna do for this gnarly wave? Right here.
I'm finna do a backflip on here.
Y'all, this is a prime example of what I'm talking about when Nate leaves me over here. Y'all, does my bun still look cute? I don't know if I look ratchet right now. So excuse me if I do. Let's watch Nate do some stupid ass shit for this gnarly vlog.
Alright, let's go down 3, 2.
I think y'all seen Nate struggling like fuck, cause that's what it looks like above water. Did y'all see that? What?
I think I'm pretty
It's gonna be on the clickbait. We start. And I'm telling you, it better take you first, cause you're really real stupid. Y'all, Nate over here talking about he seen his heart. What shark? And you better have cut on 4K. Jeremy?
You can restart it. It's almost okay though.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta be.
We get secret. Come on, man.
Why?
This is so awesome.
Stand.
Come here.
Make sure my mouth's that open.
Let me spit.
You just call me Elizabeth?
Let me spit.
Oh, let me spit.
Hey, come on.
Yeah.
Why is this so hard?
Okay.
Okay.
You guys, look at us. Swimming in the water. Look at him carrying me. I'm so crazy.
Look at me being strong. Carrying her with one
Strong
hand.
ass. Who y'all know? Who y'all know who's short?
Hey, get on my back, man. Get on my back. Get on my back. I'm gonna fall back.
Sorry. I got him. Oh shit. It was either right there.
Oh, man, you choking the fuck out of me, man.
Oh, they're right there. And Jimmy is swimming out. You better hope we got time to stand up at the wall. You okay?
I'm good, man. Come on, let's go do something else. I don't want to get too tired. Alright, y'all. We'll see you at the next time. Okay. I really thought this was cool.
Yes, I did.
So I guess you see it.
Come here.
GoPro.
Well, GoPro, we made it here safe. We finally found the lake, and we only have a couple percentage left, but you know, this is the best way we could have possibly spent it finding this.
We gotta hold another leg. Let's scoot over so I can lay on you. I need to lay down for a second.
And I'm just glad to find it and just be here vibing right now. Anyways, I had so much fun. I'm so tired though. Like, I'm exhausted, and I can't wait to get back home and look at these videos and take care of the stuff we need to take care of. I'm literally finding sand everywhere.
Yeah, hey man, comment how y'all think about my flip, man.
Man, that is hilarious. That was the funniest part. This man really thought he had it.